if you're using macOS, here's how to get started using the EvolutionLab. It's a little complicated because you have to use Java, set up Java in order to use the EvolutionLab application. Hopefully this will make it smoother. The first thing that you want to do is get the correct address to go to the EvolutionLab. So this is from the Moodle page. Under week 1 for the lab, there's something called Instructions for EvolutionLab Access, and that should have the address that you want to go to. So just highlight that and copy it. Now there's only one browser on macOS that you can use to do EvolutionLab because it's the only one that still supports Java. So you have to use Safari web browser. You go to Safari and paste in the address and go there. That will take us to the biology labs online. So there's different labs here. We click on EvolutionLab, and there should be a button that says Start Lab. So we'll go ahead and click on that. All right, it'll have this message here, please be patient, the applet is loading. So if you have Java enabled, then an application should start up that allows you to do the EvolutionLab project. I don't have that right now, so that means that I don't have Java enabled. Here's a quick way that you can check that. All right, so we go to Safari, Preferences, Security. Okay, so if you're on another tab, make sure you go to Security. Make sure that Allow Plugins is checked. Go to Plugin Settings. You may or may not have the Java thing here. So if you do have Java here, make sure it's checked and make sure that it's turned on for the sciencecourseware.org website. If you are able to check all of those and hit done, then close Safari and open it up again. We're going to restart it since we just enabled Java. Go back to that same address. All right, and it's going to ask you if a bunch of questions about whether you want to run the application. So say don't block, say run if it asks you, and then here's the EvolutionLab application. Now let's say that when you went to the Safari Preferences and Security and Plugin Settings, let's say Java didn't show up here. That means that you don't have Java installed. So what you need to do then is go to the Java website and install Java. So just go through the process, download it, and then go back to Safari, Preferences, Security, Plugin Settings, make sure Java is checked, and then for the sciencecourseware.org website, make sure that it's turned on.